Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll be talking about how to make money with Google Sites as a beginner. Are you looking for a way to earn extra cash from the comfort of your own home? Well, you're in luck because Google Sites is a great platform to start with. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can leverage Google Sites to make money, even if you're a beginner. Why Google Sites? Google Sites is a free and user-friendly website builder that allows you to create your own website without any coding experience. The platform provides you with pre-designed templates that you can customize to fit your needs. With Google Sites, you can create websites for businesses, personal projects, or even online stores. The best part is that you can monetize your website to earn money from it. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a popular advertising program that allows website owners to display ads on their website. You earn money every time someone clicks on an ad on your website. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a Google AdSense account, and then place the ads on your website. The more traffic you get to your website, the more money you can make from ads. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way of promoting other people's products on your website and earning a commission for every sale that is made through your affiliate link. To get started, you'll need to find products or services that you can promote on your website. Look for companies that offer affiliate programs, sign up for their program, and then promote their products on your website. Sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are when companies pay you to write a post about their product or service on your website. You can earn money by writing reviews, tutorials, or any other content that promotes their product or service. To get started, you'll need to reach out to companies that you're interested in working with and pitch them your sponsored post idea. So there you have it, 3 ways to make money with Google Sites as a beginner. Google Sites is a great platform to start with because it's free, easy to use, and has the potential to earn you a decent income. If you're interested in learning more about making money from home, be sure to click the link in the description below to see the best way of making money from home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.